I just love being somewhere that I'm surrounded by plants and friends, and I'm with Ken from Van Essen. And Ken, we're usually out at your nursery, so here we are at a coastal farm and ranch, so what gives?
So yeah, we usually are at the nursery, but I wanted to do a spot about our plants in the setting of one of our independent partners, and Coastal is one of our very good partners that we have. And so I thought it'd be nice to do this here today.
And it's fun that we can go there and we can buy plants.
Yeah,
so that's
right.
even more fun.
Yeah.
So what are you going to talk to us about?
So let's talk about a couple new things that we have. So Coastal is going to be doing a nice offering of our patio trees, which we have sitting around us, like here and here. And every 2 weeks we're going to be bringing in fresh sets of new varieties. This one here is cherry vodka dogwood. It gets about 4 to 5 feet in size, and has a really good thick leaf, so it's very durable, and it's got this great red color that starts in the summer. You see there's 3 colors, and then goes all the way through the fall.
And what about the tree to your left?
Yeah, this is another cornice. It is a yellow twig cornice. This is called Creme de Menthe, and it is very striking when it has its foliage and its variegation. It's got a creamy variegation, and when you look at the block across the can yard and there's 500, 1,000 of them out there versus another, they just really pop from a long distance, and they do great. Same thing, containers in the landscape, same sort of dimensions on the head size.
So you have these beautiful trees. What else do you want to show us?
Well, I wanted to talk to you about the Clematis. These are Clematis that are part of our Vibrant Selection line. And there's a great assortment of colors that they have. But really what I wanted to talk about on the Clematis is that it's got a great root system. It's in a true 8-inch, not just a real small 1 gallon. And we've held this plant a lot longer than typical growers might do, and so we put a lot of prunes in it. So you can see here at the base, heavy branching, which gives you lots of vines and really a lot more flowers at retail. And so these are just coming into the stores now, and they'll filter in over the next 3 or 4 weeks. But this is a very good quality product that Coastal carries. And
I love it in that pot, so really it's ready to go.
Yeah, it is ready to go.
And then what else you have?
Well, we have our whole perennial line, and it's a premium perennial line. And here's another example of one of the items. This is Flaming Carpet, and it's 3 colors in one.
It's a great idea.
And it's a big hit. We ship it all over the country, into Denver, even into Chicago. But it works well in a container, as you can see, or in the landscape. And it's just one of the unique things that Coastal has in their perennial line. And again, every 2 weeks we're dropping in fresh perennials. They've got a nice assortment already. And so that's an exciting part of their group.
It is great. What a great collection right here.
It is.
And then one more thing you have, a reblooming azalea. What a great idea.
Yes, this is a reblooming azalea. It's a proven winner. This is one of their bloomathons. And reblooming azaleas now have been really the most important thing that's happened in the azalea breeding line in the last 10, 15 years. And so this will bloom now really well, and then you can prune it and it will rebloom again summertime-ish. And it's great for the garden. It's not just a one and done.
So as you heard it from Ken, that they're going to have a great selection of plants at your Coastal Farm and Ranch. So go to gardentime.tv, we'll click you over their website, and you can find out the Coastal near you, and you can get plants for your garden and your patio. Thanks so much, Ken.
Thank you.